In today's video, I'm going to teach you make ChatGPT think like you with this one prompt. Most people use ChatGPT in a way that guarantees generic results. They toss in random questions, get surface level answers, and wonder why nothing sounds like their voice or matches their goals. The fix is simpler than building a library of prompts. You don't need 50, you need one identity prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly how to think with you. Open ChatGPT and start a fresh conversation. We're going to paste a single message that sets the ground rules for how it should respond. Copy and personalize this, then use it at the start of your chats. From now on, act as my strategic thinking partner. Here's how I think and operate. My goals are insert goals. My target audience is insert audience. My tone is calm, bold, analytical, friendly, direct. I value speed, clarity, depth, simplicity, persuasion. I dislike fluff, long answers, too technical, generic advice. When I ask questions, I want responses that are step by step, strategic, concise, detailed. Before answering, think step by step internally and respond aligned with my thinking style. If something is unclear, ask one focused question. Prioritize practical execution over theory. That's the entire prompt. Fill in the brackets with your real preferences. Be specific about your goals, who you're serving, and how you want the response to sound. If you prefer short, punchy takeaways, say so. If you want deep, structured reasoning, tell it explicitly. The more clearly you define your style, the more consistent the output becomes. Once you've pasted and customized it, send the message. Then ask your next task exactly as you normally would. Because you've set this identity, ChatGPT will aim its answers at your audience, mirror your tone, and focus on what you value. You'll also notice it asks for one focused clarification when needed, which keeps the conversation efficient. If the responses feel a little off, tweak the identity prompt. Add a line to emphasize what matters most, or tighten the dislikes so it avoids what you don't want. You can reuse the same prompt across projects and you can refine it over time as your goals or audience evolve. That's it. With one clear identity prompt, you turn ChatGPT from a generic answer machine into a strategic partner that thinks like you, speaks to your people, and helps you execute faster. Paste it, personalize it, and watch your results level up.